Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 29. First click here, type Windows Update Settings, and then click check for updates, and after that all you have to do just uh, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC click here, type Control Panel, and then view by make it small icons, go to Network and Sharing Center, and access type internet. Here just select this option, internet or Wi-Fi, just click on it, and then click properties, click protocol, internet version 4, click properties, and now just copy my settings. You will find it like that. Just select second one and type here 88888844 and click OK, close it, and that's it. After that just restart your PC and try again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.